Follow the paw prints.
PoSikatTv!
Meow! Meet Strong the leafcutter ant. Look what he's carrying! Wow, that leaf is way bigger than you. How do you carry so much?
Pull it, got to pull, it got! Teamwork makes us tough!
Where are all those leaves going?
Where are all those leaves going? We grow fungus to feed our whole colony. How do you help the forest? We break down leaves and aerate the soil too.
How do you stay safe from danger?
We power jaws protectors, his nest underground.
Help Strong by not stepping on ant trails.
Keep soil healthy and not using pesticides. Next, our last friend.
Meow!
Hey everyone! If you love this video, like, subscribe, and press that notification bell.